guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing a honest review plus try on of the insert name here, Ponytail, and their slick hair little hot tool or like hot brush. So I'm really excited because I love trying like things for my hair. I love doing things to my hair, so I always see everyone wearing like those super long ponytails, and I wanted to try one out, so I'm really excited. Something I have to say is that I do have a discount code with them. I'll have it here, which is gonna give you 15% off everywhere on the site. So if you're wanting like some ponytails, some hair extensions, maybe some hot tools, and definitely use my code. So basically my hair, I mean, it is long, it's just not as long as I would like it to be. So with a ponytail, that's gonna be super fun. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the actual ponytail. So the ponytail, I have it out already, but this is how the how it comes in, or what it comes in. So this one is the Shayla Honey Ponytail, and this is the bag. First of all, the colors and like the cute design with the flowers, and it says everyone wants a pony, and that's true. So yeah, it has a zipper. It says if you open me, I'm yours forever. You have a receipt, and they also throw a free scrunchie that has their tag in it. I love scrunchies because they don't damage my hair as much since I have blonde hair. And what I like is that at the top they include a small like piece in case you need more hair, then they give you more hair in here. Okay, so this one comes in like a wavy hair. But of course, like most of the time I have straight hair and I wanted like a straight hair ponytail, so I went ahead and already straightened my ponytail. But this is how it comes in the package. It's like wavy hair, and this is really cute, but I was going for like the straight style. So yeah, and it matches my hair really nicely. So let me show you guys the actual ponytail, and this is how it looks now. So something I have to say right out of the bat is that this is really high quality hair, because I use my flat iron in like 400 degrees, and the hair, it's silky smooth, beautiful. It didn't lose its shine or like the softness, and it's just so beautiful and so long. Like, this is the best high quality hair I've ever had, honestly. And I feel like the hair, the match is pretty good. So definitely, if you need help with someone matching your hair, definitely DM their customer service and they're gonna match your hair perfectly. And that's what I did. They helped me match my hair perfectly. So yeah, let's test this one out. Okay, so I also have their Answer Sleek Hair here, and this is a ceramic bristles 2-inch wide brush head, and this is a hot brush. So this is how it looks in the package. You take it out, you have the cable, and you have, of course, the brush that comes in a little plastic bag to protect it. But I just love the aesthetic because everything is pink and beautiful, but this feels really high quality, like it's like a good heavy weight. So you do have a little plastic to protect the buttons, and the buttons are like rose gold. It looks really pretty. So you have a plus, a minus, and the power on to adjust the temperature. It has their cute logo here, and in the back this feels really high quality. The cable is really thick, which I really like. And yeah, I'm really excited because my hair is not as straight, so we're gonna try it on my natural hair. So they also threw in the quick slick like baby hair control thing. It says hold my straights, and the instructions say starting at the roots, brush your flyaways and baby hair down, slick hair anywhere, throw into your bag for easy touch-ups and no flakes ever. So I do have a lot of baby hairs, as you guys can tell. So we're gonna do the pony and we're gonna test this out as well. This just looks like a mascara to me. It looks so cool. So it has a plastic wrapping around it, which I like because you know that it's never been used. So let me take it out. And let me see. So this is a quick sleek, enter name here, hair essence. So it looks just like a mascara. Doesn't really have a smell. I mean, it has like a normal, like, I guess, I don't know, I kind of like the smell. It kind of smells spicy to me, so I like it. But yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm really excited to try this out. So my hair is already straight, but I'm gonna do the little test with this. So I'm gonna plug it in. So it says it's off, so I'm gonna turn it on. So you just kind of press it, and right now it's at 355, so I'm gonna put it up to, oh okay, so it goes all the way to 450, but I'm gonna go for 390. So you can always adjust the temperature, and I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up. So it's been like 5 seconds. It's already getting like hot. Okay, so right now I just have some hair clips, so I'm gonna take them out. So as you guys can tell, like, my hair is getting wavy because of the hair clips. So I hope you guys can see the difference, but it's already getting like straight. Okay, so I'm gonna try this side, and as you guys can tell, it's a little like wavy in here. So okay, so you guys can tell how straight it is. Ooh, so I really like this. This is so cool. And my hair, it's really straight now. I love this. Definitely gonna be using this a lot, but now that I tested this out, I'm doing the pony. So I'm gonna put my hair all to the back. This is how, okay, so this is how my ponytail looks like. And as you guys can tell, I do have some baby hairs here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can tell how the before and after is gonna look like. So this is how my hair looks like in a ponytail, the length and everything. This is how it looks like. And now we're gonna try on the ponytail. So I'm really excited about this. Okay. So basically you open it, it has Velcro. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stand up. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how I put it on. So basically, since I do have a lot of hair, I did a tight bun, like a high tight bun. And now I'm gonna get the hair, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is put the little comb in between my bun. So okay, so I'm gonna get the comb. I'm gonna put it in my bun. I'm gonna secure it, and then I'm gonna grab this strand of hair and I'm just gonna put it around the bun really tightly. Now that that's there, I'm gonna get this strand of hair and I'm just gonna wrap it around the hair tie so we can hide it. And then I'm gonna get a bobby pin and I'm just gonna secure the hair. There you go. So that's how it is, how easy it is. So I'm gonna get another bobby pin and just gonna fix like the minor hairs that are out, like in here. There you go. Okay, so I do have some baby hairs out, so I'm gonna use the hair essence little gel thing, and we're just gonna fix the little hairs. And then I'm kind of just gonna press it down to ensure that everything is really slicked down. Now with the other side. This product is amazing. Oh my god. This is the first time that I've ever tried one of these. This is life-changing, especially because I do have a lot of breakage on my hair. And this is just helping out. But yeah, that's pretty much how it looks. So I'm gonna lower you guys down. Tell me this isn't the coolest thing ever. Like, look at that. I feel like a Betty. Feel like a princess or something. Just look at that. This is so long and beautiful. I mean, it's not heavy at all. Like, I don't feel like my head is like, you know, heavy. But this is amazing. Oh my god, I love this. I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this a lot more often because this is so pretty. Oh my god, I look so pretty and like so girly. Oh my god. Okay, so that's everything that I have to show you guys in this video, and honestly I have to say that I love this hair. Like, it's just, you guys can tell how like shiny it is. It looks real. It's really high quality hair, and just the ponytail, like, it makes me feel like a bad bitch. Like, hello, you got me like, oh my god, I love this. I always wanted my hair like this long. So yeah, this is just beautiful hair. And the hot tool, like the hot brush, that's just so convenient for so many things. Like, especially if you already have straight hair, you can always do that and do like a quick like touch up and make it more straight, like silk straight. But yeah guys, like, this is just so cool. I love this so much. Like, thank you, insert name here, for like wanting to work with me, because I just feel so beautiful with this hair. I'll have the store social medias as well as the link to their shop I'll have my code and I have all the product names in the description box below. And yeah guys, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.